everyone, my name is Lee Allen, and welcome to my course, Perform Complex Search Functions in Kibana with Apache Lucene. I am a member of the Offensive Operations team at Covell, a cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and automation company. If you are seeking to perform queries against data collected in your Elastic Stack, then you've come to the right place. In this course, you'll learn to perform advanced searches in Kibana using the Lucene Query Syntax. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the foundations of the Lucene query language when used in Kibana, search functions such as boosting, regular expressions, and fuzzy searches, and using wildcard, non-existing field, and range searches to dig into your Kibana Elastic Stack data. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge of the Apache Lucene query syntax needed to efficiently deep dive into your data using the Kibana Discover Query Bar and Lucene Query Syntax. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to search Kibana using the Lucene Query Syntax with the Perform Complex Search Functions in Kibana and Apache Lucene course at Pluralsight.